Still feel incomplete.
Alright you guys, so it is officially a start of a new vlog. Alright, this is vlog number 2. Hopefully this is successful. I am going to try to customize my KEDS. These things are super dirty because these were actually my old school shoes. Like, I had to wear these for cosmetology school in high school, so they're super dirty, but they are platform, and I feel like I need to start wearing these on the weekends because they are super cute. Like, I want to put something right here, but step 1 to doing that and making it cute is cleaning them. So I wore these shoes like every day. I'm gonna link the videos I watched on how to clean white shoes because I'm not even gonna act like I know what I'm about to do, because I don't. I just watched like 2 videos and got some courage, and now we're gonna go with it. So I know I have to remove the laces, and it's gonna be some hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, water, and a toothbrush. So we're just about to get to that. Okay, so I got my bowl right here. I have my shoes, of course. I got the video playing over there. So homeboy said 1 teaspoon or tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, he said 1 tablespoon of water. I don't know if I'm supposed to use hot water or not, but ain't nobody over here trying to do a science experiment, so I'm gonna just put my drinking water. 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide.
That down. You want to grab your toothbrush and start scrubbing away the shoe.
Okay, so right now I'm just mixing it up. I don't know about this. Okay, I can see this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna just do this off camera. As you can see, I have a mess, and they said I have to put it outside for about 4 hours, so that's what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna see if this works. If it doesn't, we're gonna have to go to plan B. So let me go put these outside for like 4 hours. Alright y'all, so it is day 2 of this project, and these are the results of my little concoction. They definitely do look whiter on camera, so I would say that the concoction worked. Y'all tell me if y'all think it worked. Like, compared to yesterday, that's definitely how the YouTubers con people, because on camera it looks super white. I mean, it's off-white, but I mean, they got the stains out. Good enough, okay? They're not looking spanking brand new, but they look pretty darn good. Look at the soles, look at the white. So I was able to find this 1 piece of tracing paper because I literally had none, but God bless me with this 1 piece. Right now I'm going to use this tracing paper to trace a pattern of the area I want to put some material. I think I want to put material like, you know, right here, like the main area of this shoe. I can't see through this. Yeah, make sure you get yourself some good tracing paper. Okay, so basically, can y'all see that? That's my little pattern, and I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'll be able to see better. And when you draw your pattern, make sure it's bigger than the area, and making sure you're cutting with paper scissors and not fabric scissors, because that's gonna mess up your stuff. You know what might also be helpful? Some tape. I'm gonna go get that. Okay, so I'm back with tape because we're gonna make this work one way or another. And for this part, I'm just tracing the outer. We have something. So now I'm gonna take the tape off and cut that, and I'll be back. Alright you guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I have some material going on. This is what I will be putting on the sides of my shoes. I just want you guys to know that no real designer bags were harmed in the making of these shoes. Just know that you can get this material online. You can order it off of Etsy. Is that where I got mine from? No, but that's not the point. One thing I did do was tape down my pattern that I made. I taped it down so it will stay in place, and I'm just gonna cut it out right now. I have the material positioned in a way that I want that print to be on the shoes, so I'm super excited about it. So I'm just about to cut these out, and then I'm going to flip and all that stuff, but you're gonna see me do that because you want to flip it so you can have 2 right pieces and 2 left pieces. We're not trying to get confused here and have a bunch of right pieces. So let me get to cutting. Alright you guys, so it's been a little bit of time and I've discovered that my E6000 glue is either trash or this material is trash because it did not stick. So I decided to actually hand sew the material. So if you guys cannot hand sew, I would suggest finding a glue, maybe a fabric glue that actually works, but my E6000 glue did not work. So I'm actually hand sewing this with a needle and thread. I have some brown thread here and I have some backup brown thread, and I am hand sewing this. So this is one that I've already done. Of course I still need to like clean it up, so but as you can see, like the inside not cute, but the outside is looking so good. I'm so excited. So right now I'm about to start on the other shoe. Like I said, it's pretty easy. I don't want to waste my battery time showing you guys. I'm just sewing it on there, so I'll come back on here when both of the shoes are done. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I'm basically done with my shoe, but I want to cover up this KEDS symbol right here. And I have some diamonds. I want to bling a little bit, so I have this strip of diamonds. I don't know where I got these from, but you can get this from like Joann's. You ordered offline, and you guys know I had some trouble with my glue, so I'm gonna try to glue this on here, but if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna sew it like the rest of it. So I'm just gonna cut, I'm gonna measure, so I have them about that big, and I'm just gonna need like 4 of them. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to try to glue it, and if the glue does not work, then I will sew it. But I'm basically done with this shoe. I'll come back once everything is finished. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I found some thread that actually matches like the Louis Vuitton print type of gold, and I'm covering up the KEDS thing because I don't want these shoes to look like KEDS at all. That's not what we're going for. So that's what I just did, and I'm like hand sewing it on there, and I just basically covered it up, and I think it looks so good. So I'm about to do that to this other shoe. It's going to take me a while, so I just want to show you that if you are trying to do the most, this is what you can do. And I might even cover up this KEDS thing too, because we just don't want people to know that this was KEDS. Like, I want it to look like a whole brand new shoe. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do right now. KEDS, where are the KEDS? I can't find them. Not here.